on my DPS monsters. We got Skillz here coming back at you with another video. Today we have the True Steel Premium Collection with Zacian, but we don't have just one pack. We don't have just two packs. We got Zamazenta, and we have another Zacian. So we got 3 packs to open day of the True Steel Premium Collection. So let's go ahead and pop these bad boys open. Alright, and to save some time, I went ahead and opened all 3 of the packs to get all these open and ready to go. So with these premium collection packs, you get 6 booster packs. You get the code cards, obviously. You get these pins, either Zacian, let's see a focus there, or Zamazenta. Very nice pins. And then aside from that, you also get the figurines of Zamazenta and Zacian. So we're going to go ahead and put these down here right in front. Hopefully they'll provide us some good luck today. And with the packs, you get Darkness Ablaze, Sword and Shield, another Evolutions, Darkness Ablaze, Cosmic Eclipse, and Burning Shadows. So we'll go ahead. We have a total of 6, 12, 18 packs to get open today, guys. So let's hopefully have some luck, see what we get. I will provide the code cards here for each of these packs. Hopefully it brings you guys some good cards. As always, share the love. Guys, thank you for joining the video today. Please make sure if you do like this video, like, subscribe, tell all your friends. We're just here to have a good time, share Pokemon. So here's the the Zacian promo card, and then the Zamazenta promo card. So very nice artwork. Alright, let's go ahead and mix these up here. Have a little random. And with our first one, we will start off with Sword and Shield. Here we go. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Again, thank you guys for coming in, supporting the channel, and just having a good time. There's a code card for you. Fighting Energy, Corvisquire, Great Ball, Potion, Yamper, Grookey, Cufant, Baltoy, and we got a Whimsicott. Alright. We'll get going here. Darkness Ablaze. Let's see what we get here. Now, guys, if you have seen any of the other videos, I would be really appreciate if you did. We actually had some really great polls on the first video I posted. So take a look at that. I'll post the link down in the description. Code card. Alright. Fighting. Alright. Birdkeeper. Skullrock. Dunsparce. Clink. Marini. Torchic. Starly. Passimian. And we got a Muck. Alright, let's try Team Up here. It's another good pack series here. Not as new as Darkness Ablaze or Sword and Shield or Champion's Path, but still very good. Alright, Energy. Kabuto. Nidorina. Geodude, looking buff with those guns. Paris. Joltik. Blitzel. Squirtle, just taking a nap and soaking in that sun. Pupitar, alright, reverse holo. And a Pangoro. Alright, let's go ahead and keep going here. We got Burning Shadows. That is one of my favorite packs to open. Obviously, we're looking for that chase card, that Charizard. Will we be able to pull it into today's pack? Let's hope. Code card. Alright. Energy. Seadra. Charmeleon looking fierce. He is mad. Togedemaru. Krogunk. Panseer. Magikarp. Mudbray. Hoot Hoot. Reverse Hollow. And a Persian. Wow, we are not doing too well right now. Hopefully these packs give us some luck. I'm going to start going. So we're going to go for Evolutions. So as you know, Evolutions just stopped production. These are kind of the go-to cards right now that everybody's trying to get a hold of. So we'll see if we can get some luck out of these. Alright. Kakuna. Machoke. Weedle. Doduo. Staryu. Onyx. Energy. Trainer. And we got an Electrode. Well, guys, I am not feeling the love from these packs so far, but hopefully that changes. We'll be getting another Darkness Ablaze here. Got the code card there. Fighting. We are fighting energy all the way today. Old PC. Doug Trio. Phoebus. Passimian. Fletchling. Winpod. Grimer. We got a Reverse Hollow Skarmory. And a Tyranitar Hollow. So, Tyranitar is one of my favorite Pokemon, so I actually like this card a lot. Nothing too awesome, but I will go ahead and put that here. We also got Pupitar there, so not terrible. Alright. We got another Darkness Ablaze pack here with Grimmsnarl on there. See if that Charizard is hiding in here. So guys, let's get to 100 subscribers. I plan on doing a giveaway once we get to 100 subscribers. So, 4, almost missed that one. Alright, we got an Energy. Spike Mouth. Bird Keeper. Jigglypuff. Diglett. Panpour. Spinarak. Bone Sweet. Torchic, Reverse Hollow, and a Grimmsnarl V. Alright. Looks like our luck is changing a little bit. That is a good one there. Very nice card. I will take that, and we are hopefully starting to have our luck turn and keep this going. Alright, we'll go ahead and start this pack here, Sword and Shield. So guys, comment down below what your favorite Pokemon is. Let me know, favorite card series, just anything. Get to know my fans, get to know you guys. Want to get the community going. Again, Pokemon is a passion of mine. I've been with Pokemon since I was very young, since it started, back in it. And I love the community, love everything, so I just want to, like I said, share the love. We got Energy, Raboot, Hop, Krabby, Grookey, Mudbray, Hoot Hoot, Mincino, and a Lapras V. There we go. We got 2 in a row. Lapras V, look at that. That was a great one. Let's get a shot on that one. Very good. Well, looks like this is a little bit better of a pack here. 2 good cards so far. We got this Tyranitar that I'm still liking very much. I would say we're off to a better start here. Evolutions. We got Raichu there. Energizing this pack. Hopefully there's a Charizard Hollow or Reverse Hollow. those are the chase cards. I'll even take a Mega Charizard. Anything at this point, really. Code card. 2, 3. All right. Haunter. Misty's Determination. Magikarp. Fighting Energy. There we go. Staryu. Tangela. Rattata. Trainer. And a Mew Hollow. Alright. That is a nice card there. Not bad. Put this up there. Alright. One, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that was 4. All right. Energy. Flaffy. Carnivine. Cape of Toughness. Mr. Mime. Electrike. Dino. Passimian. All right. And a Tasserina. Alright, well, move on to the next pack here. Got Team Up, Gengar, another one of my favorite Pokemon. Alright, there's a code card for y'all. We'll share the love here with you guys. Energy, Morgan, Flaffy, Jinx, Molga, Mareep, Vulpix, Joltik. We get a lot of electric cards here. Blitzel, Dual Blade Reverse Hollow, and an Ampharos GX. All right. That looks like a secret rare to me. Very nice card. Look at that. Wow. I will take that all day. Not bad. Very good. Alright, well, we got some good pulls so far, guys. And we are about halfway through. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7 more packs to go. Hopefully there are some more good cards. Tap that one for some good luck. Code card for you. Energy. Familiar Bell. Struggle Gloves. We'll pull out those boxing gloves and get some fighting. Clang. Trapinch. Jigglypuff. Ducklet. Carablast. Darumaka. Aragon. That's another one of my favorite Pokemon. And a Volcarona. All right. So next week I plan on putting out a new series. Hopefully plan on getting that out on Friday. I will keep everyone updated. Post the links once they're available. And hopefully that's a hit with series, but we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4. If not, like I said, if you like the content so far, please like, subscribe, share it. That's how we get this channel growing. Get more good content to you. Get a lot of these card openings. So we get Electricity, Hypno-chan, Goldeen, Diglett, Hoot Hoot, Professor's Research, and Snorlax. So yeah, guys, I just try to get the best content I can out there for you. Get a lot of these different card packs opened. Obviously, that's one of the best things, is just to open the packs and see what we can find inside. That's what I get excited about. All right, code card. 3, 4. Energy. Bird Keeper. Soul Rock. Kufant. Panseer, Mareep, Snubble. All right. And, oh, a Talaflame. All right. All right. Cosmic Eclipse. Another good pack. Let's see what we can get from here. There's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we got energy. Cricketune. Curlia. Rockruff. It looks like he just woke up from a nap. Stuffle. Rowlet. Magnemite. Roxy. And a Rosa. All right. All right, so we're down to the last 3 packs. We got 2 Burning Shadows and an Evolution. Obviously, these are my favorite packs here as of right now. Evolutions, so we got 3. Let's go with the Burning Shadows, and we'll probably finish with the Burning Shadows. Hopefully we can get something good. All right, Sun and Moon. Code card. Sorry, I had a little bit of a brain hiccup there. 2, 3, 4. Energy. Seadra. Wobbuffet. Stuffle. Just having a good time. Inkay. Duskull. Looks like he's dabbing there. Gyarados reverse holo. Look at that art. That's very nice. And a Plumeria art. Not bad. Very nice card. All right. So we're at 4 here. Very good. All right, let's go with Evolutions. Tap it for good luck. If it makes a difference. If it doesn't, I'd like to think so. Charmander there. Hopefully his big brother or Evolution is there. Evolution code card. 2 and 3. Let's get a Charizard, please. Energy. Machoke. Flexing those muscles. Coughing. Charmander. Magnemite. Energy. Growlithe. Machop. Voltorb reverse holo. And a Farfetch'd. So no Charizard in that pack. That is okay. We will continue on. Burning Shadows is our last pack for today. Again, guys, like the content. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends. Just want to get this channel growing, get the community growing. I appreciate your time and taking a look and just being here. There's the code card for you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. This is it, guys. Electricity. Charmeleon. There's another one of those. I like that art. Wobbuffet. Panseer. Charmander. Rattata. Porygon. Panpour. Stuffle. And Eradicate. Alright, guys. Well, that looks like what's it for the packs today. Let's just go ahead and get a recap. We got the Tyranitar holo. I like that card. Artwork is very nice. Mew. Very good. And as far as our V and GX cards, rares, we have our Grimmsnarl V. Very nice card. Lapras. Another nice card. Ampharos. Secret rare. today, like, subscribe, like the channel. Again, thank you, and we will see you on the next video. Have a great day, guys.